Can't bind to ngModel since it isn't a known property of input. I've got the following error when launching my Angular app. Even if the component is not displayed, I have to comment out the input so that my app works. Zone.js 461 unhandled promise rejection. Template parse errors. Can't bind to ngModel since it isn't a known property of input. I'm looking at the hero clunker, but I don't see any difference from my code. Here is the component file. In order to be able to use two-way data binding for form inputs in Angular 2, 4 and 5+, you need to import the forms module package in your Angular module. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.